Flight Louganis, 113B, forward flying 1 1/2 somersaults, height 1.8.
Hi, I'm Greg Louganis, 4-time Olympic gold medalist in the sport of diving. I was also an Olympic silver medalist at age 16. And I was also a charter member of the Mission Viejo Nadadores Diving Team. The importance of upgrading the facility here would bring new revenue to the city of Mission Viejo to be able to hold USA Diving and FINA events. So please, Mission Viejo City Council, please vote yes for a full renovation of the new diving platforms. Continue the benefits that the community is going to experience to their children in the future, and the legacy of the greatness that the Mission Viejo Nadadores has had in the past.